let's see how to draw the female figure. A basic thing here, we're going to put the head, neck, shoulders. My favorite thing here, two triangles, another triangle, put the arms anywhere. Let's do one more. We just happen to have green on here from the bird with blurry background, so let's go. This one could be like, looking closely at something at the ground, possibly planting a little, planting a plant in a thing, right? Okay. Good to kind of hint where the eye is going to be. Okay, so we're going to let that dry. Be right back. Well, while we wait for it to dry, let's just put in a very blue-gray kind of background. This is my first time with Adobe Rush BTW. I was hoping to make it like a little bit smaller. It's not going any smaller, but anyway, moving right along. So impatient to get it, wait for it to dry. We're gonna blot it with a towel. You could also put it with a hair dryer, which is very good, but we don't have a hair dryer here yet. Maybe later. Okay, let's try phase two. It's kind of dry, not really. So here, let's just try to add a little bit more detail. Okay, this head's too big for that body. No problem. We're gonna make the body bigger. Collarbone, shoulders. Get some more paint there. Shoulder, bosom line, navel, shorts. Okay, and then arms. We're gonna do something with the arms. So let's see, I don't know what, I guess, holding a phone is always a good thing to do. Very, contemporary. Okay, so then we need to put the phone there. Good, holding a phone with two hands. And just try to color in the old swimsuit. And good to like hint at some hair. All right, next, the person planting a flower. So I don't know. Let's see. We'll do that. Is going to be the eye, nose, mouth, hairline. I guess that hair kind of okay like that. Then neck goes here. The shoulders are basically like right here. And of course goes behind. Shoulder is going to be like this, okay. Forearm, thumb, there. This is going to be the plant. Okay, the other thing here, there's going to be the bosom down there. Other hand, I'll try to put the hand like that. This is, I'm going to arc the back a little bit like that. So that's going to be maybe the waistline, the bosom line, and I guess that this could be the legs, and the butt probably has to go back farther. So that shoulder looks terrible, but I was just trying to make the shoulder there. That looks a little bit more accurate. There's the nape of the neck. Collarbone would be here. Get the chin line back. Something about the hair. That. Okay. Wait for that to dry. So while it dries, we're gonna add red now because and just put it in here with that yellow. And we want to get a dramatic difference in color for the next layer. Impatient for the dry. I'm going to blot up any excess moisture. It's getting all messed up, but it doesn't matter because it just doesn't matter. These little weird things will only benefit us at some point when we advance this thing. Okay, so now let's just change the head here, make it it's kind of like right here. That chin's way off, it doesn't really matter. Okay. Go to the neck, shoulder muscles, what do you call it, collarbone. This is a little big, so at this point we will sort of cut back, make it a little smaller. I don't know if that bosom line is all that great. Does not really matter. The waist is a little on the small side. And here we have to remember from anatomy that there's actually the hips here. The actual belly is kind of here. This is the, whatever you call it, muscles. The ribs are here. And you know, up here usually there's more ribs. So if we are, you know, mindful of those features, then we can just kind of hint at them as we go along here. And we could just, it's always a good idea here, if there's a bikini, whatever, to have a little thing that, you know, hints at a 3D aspect. Okay. Thighs, we have to remember there's a muscle right there, another muscle like right here that goes down to there. And while we don't want to explicitly paint those muscles, we do want to kind of hint at them. And so anyway, so there's that other, there's a muscle right there anyway. And let's do something with the arms. I don't really like the thing in front anymore. Basically, the hand sort of, you know, comes to this level on a person. And quickly we'll do something here. Let's make this one go up and back like that. There. I don't know if that one's right, does not matter. Anyway, now we have 3 layers here, or 4, and we are, you know, gently building form, and I think next we will hit that with some acrylics.